Congratulations everyone, markets are at all-time high again. This is Ahmed Saleh and this is a weekly market recap. We go to the key messages. So November was a great month. Actually, it is the best month in the year, scoring 5.7% on the S&P 500. And again, we closed Friday with an all-time high. Market is broadening, so we are away from the mega cap, and the market is increasing mainly in the mid and small caps. And my recommendation is to be in the game. If you want more details, you can continue listening to the reminder of the video. So for the last week, November continued the trend of going up that happened in week 3. Actually, week 3 and week 4, we compensated all the losses that happened in week 2. November is now closing at higher than what we had after market increase during Trump win in week 1. So in S&P we had 5.7% versus 4.7% in week 1, and also similar same in Nasdaq and equal weight, S&P equal weight, and the Russell 2000. They're all higher than the close of week 1. So we compensated all the losses that happened in week 2, and we are continuing to go up. One thing to watch is that the S&P equal weight and the Russell 2000 are doing better than the S&P, and this means that the small caps and the mid caps are doing better than the mega cap. So mega cap had its own rally during the first half of the year. Now it's time for the small cap and for the rest of the companies. Why is that? Because as we said, the slogan of Trump is let's build America, and he is going to put some tariff. This will encourage the small companies to do much better in US, and also when the interest rate is going down, the benefit will go mainly to the small caps because they will borrow with less interest rate. We continue to look at the chart that I put in one of my previous videos, but I would here just as a reminder. The average bull market duration is 5 years, and we are in year 3. So if you are not there, you still can catch the rally. Don't let this rally go away from you. And also I put there as well the S&P 500 monthly performance based on the last 10 years. So this is the average 10 years of every month in the last 10 years. And you can see that November was 3.1. It's actually the best month in the year. And this is what happened this year. So the statistics proven to be correct. We had November as the best month in the year, scoring 5.7%. And based on that, December should be 1.4%, but December is mainly a good month. So we should continue to see the trend upward in December. What if not? Just be ready with your stop loss. If the market didn't increase and went down, then be ready with the stop loss to go out. Anything can happen. You have to be always ready with a plan. So we always say, plan a trade and trade your plan. Okay, so be ready with the stop loss if the market didn't go up. Another chart that I want to remind everyone with is that when the Fed cut rates and there is no landing, I mean, it's a good recession, it's a good economy, there is no recession expected. That happened several times in 71, 84, 87, 89, 95, 98, 19. So when this happens, and 100% of the time the market increases after 3 months, and 100% of the time the market increases in 6 months. So it's very good probability. And the increase was 8.6 in 3 months and 13.2 in 6 months. So where are we right now? The Fed cut the rates in the first time in September. So we are now in November. So this is like, call it 2 months, and the third month will be December. So we should be at 8.6. Today we are about 5%. So we still have some room to rally. Again, these are the statistics based on history. If it goes out to be wrong, be ready with your stop loss to go out. Okay. This is a chart of the S&P 500. We have the break of the all-time high that on Friday, and just be careful that this break is not really a true break, because you can see the volume downward. The bottom of the chart, the volume is going down. So we have to see a confirmation that this break is really true break. And the confirmation will happen if we have Monday or next week we go above the 6,032, then this break is going to be confirmed. So just be careful and be ready. If the market, you have to always be ready. If the market turn down, then you are ready with your stop loss to activate the stop loss. Similar chart for the Russell 2000, but the Russell 2000 is not an all-time high. It's a 3 years high. So it's touching the last time high that happened, all-time high was that happened in November 21, and it's still there and got stagnant there. So be careful. If this break of the 2,450 didn't happen, then again it's going to go down. So be ready to go out and be ready with your stop loss. You plan for the worst. You hope that the market will go up and you plan for the worst. We say that as a trader, your main job is to take care of your stop loss. The market will take care of the upside. Okay. On the Fed watch, one point here to mention is that last week we had about 50-50 chance for the Fed reducing rate and 50% chance for keeping it the same. This week it went higher toward reducing rate. So we have 66% toward reducing rate and 34% in fixing or keeping the rate the same. This is good news, and this is why the market went up last week. So we have to always watch what are the probability. The next Fed meeting is on December 18. If this became true, then it's a good news for the market. So it's important to keep an eye on this. What is happening next week? We have few reports. We have JOLTS report in October, for October and Tuesday. Powell is going to give a speech. I hope he's not going to ruin the party on Wednesday. And Thursday we have the jobless claim. Friday we have the non-farm payroll and the unemployment rate. It should be between 4.1, 4.2. If the result came in this range, then it's good news for the market. It means the economy is doing good and there is no unemployment. So let's see what's going to happen on Friday. It's going to be an important read that we should watch for. My trading strategies for next period is to continue to use the all-time high strategy because the market is at all-time high. We focus on the financial and consumer. I'll be doing another video that says why we focus on select these. How can you select the sectors? Also on the small and mid cap because they are doing good. And also I'm also using the results strategy. So the companies that had good results during the past month, I'm still investing on them. So if you want to see like a sample of this, you can watch my other video. I put a link at the end about the stocks picks, so you can listen to this video to see what are my stocks that I'm recommending and what I'm in right now. So that was all for this week. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please like and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, I'm more than happy to answer your question. Just put it in the comment and I will answer it. Thank you everyone, and have a profitable trade and a profitable week.